Hey everyone, welcome back. Tyler with My Computer Works here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take control of Windows 11 and change your default apps. Because let's be real, nobody wants to open internet links with Microsoft Edge most of the time. We're probably using a different browser, right? Like Chrome or Firefox. So first, what we want to do is click our Start menu and head into Settings. We can also do Windows key and I, which I talk about a lot, to just quickly open your settings. Nothing scary here, I promise. This is very easy. What we're going to do is on the left hand side, we're going to click on apps, and then we're going to look for default apps. And this is where all the magic happens. Now we're going to scroll down and find the app or the file type that you want to change. For example, I'm going to switch my my video player, what I play videos with, to VLC, right? So instead of like media player or whatever it's set to currently, come in here. I want to make sure my video player for certain like movies and videos is going to be VLC. So I choose VLC and I change the different protocols that I want VLC, things to open with VLC. Okay. Whereas before it was already set to, photos or media player or whatever it was. Now it's going to be VLC. And you can do this with different apps. Let's say like you have a preferred photo editing app and you want all of a certain file type of photos like JPEGs and PNGs and things like that to open with that software. Well, you'd find the software in the list and change the protocol accordingly. You can even do this by the file type, which is pretty awesome. So like, let's say you want to use a different PDF reader. You would download the PDF reader that you want to use. You could search by the type, the file type, so .pdf in this case, and change it to whatever program you want. Super easy, right? Just click the one you want to change, select your new favorite app, and boom, you're in control again. No more Windows making decisions for you. And that's it. You can, like I said, repeat this for browsers, music players, photo viewers, email, pretty much anything. If this helped you escape Microsoft's helpful defaults, go ahead and drop a like down below and maybe even subscribe for some more Windows 11 tips. Drop a comment if there's something specific you want to see, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Thanks for watching.